Hi everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll take you through the Bitfrost wallet app installation process in today's tutorial. To begin, launch the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search bar at the top. Finally, enter Bitfrost wallet. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. The process of installation can be started by simply tapping on the install icon. Before you begin installation, make sure your internet connection is stable. Allow it to start downloading now. Once the download is complete, tap on Open. You can now access the application by logging in or registering using the steps provided. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.